In the meantime, following the Christmas rush, which drew over 1.2 million passengers at the Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange, or PITX, the terminal is anticipating another passenger surge starting December 26 as travelers head to the provinces for the New Year holiday. Patrick De Jesus has more.
The number of passengers who went to the Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange, or PITX, reached 1.2 million over a span of 6 days in connection with the Christmas rush of travelers heading back to the provinces. This comes after more than 191,000 in foot traffic was recorded yesterday as passengers rushed to travel before Christmas. However, this is lower compared to December 23, which peaked at 231,000 and marked the highest number of travelers since December 19. On Christmas Day itself, the situation at PITX is relatively lighter, with fewer passengers present. Some of those who went today did so to travel ahead of the expected New Year rush.
Nag-walk-in lang kami. Opo.
Madali naman.
Okay lang naman din. Madali lang naman siya. Gusto lang namin maki-banding lang sa mga family, gano'n. Yun lang po. Para masulit lang po yung taon or New Year.
Makapiling kang pamilya ko para New Year. Sama-sama kami.
Tomorrow, December 26, a surge of passengers is again expected, this time for those going on vacation for the New Year. Based on records from PITX management, 57% of buses bound for the Bicol region are already occupied through advance booking. This will increase to 60% through December 29, which has also been declared a holiday. Meanwhile, only 26% of trips are booked so far for December 30 and 31. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.